for a second. So I got it because, oh, my patient coming. Bye-bye. Talk to you later.
Hey, doctor. My baby, she needs a checkup.
Oh, Angel. Nice to see you.
Hi, doctor.
Are you feeling good?
Yes.
Are you sick?
Angel, she needs just a checkup.
Okay. Let's get everything and give your favorite and toy.
Yes, that's Angel's favorite teddy bear.
Okay. Thump, 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 thump.
Is she doing good, doctor?
Yeah. Let me take her temperature.
Is her temperature good, doctor?
Yeah. Maybe she's happy a little bit.
Is she okay, doctor?
Yeah. Okay.
Is her nose okay?
Yeah.
Is she doing okay, doctor?
Yeah.
All she needs is her blood pressure.
Yeah.
Is her blood pressure good, doctor?
Yeah. Maybe let's check her shot.
Oh, it's okay, Angel. It's okay. It only hurt for a second.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's enough shots, doctor.
Okay. Everything is okay.
Okay, here you go, Angel. Here's your favorite teddy bear.
You're such a good baby.
Yeah.
I have a surprise for you. I have treasure chest full of surprises.
Yay.
I got Sugar Shine, Princess Egg, and Minions, and Trolls. Which do you want?
I want Shimmy Shine stickers.
Okay.
Yay.
Here you go.
Yay. Can I open it now?
Yeah, I can help you, Angel.
Thank you, doctor. Yay, lots of stickers.
These are the special ones.
Yay, special.
You want this kind of sticker?
Yes, please, doctor. Yeah, I got a sticker on my arm.
I'm gonna have one. I'm gonna have this cute little flower. That's pretty.
Yay. Hey, get back here, Teddy. Where are you going? Okay, doctor, I think that's enough with the stickers on my baby's arm.
Okay. Angel, you can go home and play with your stickers.
Yay! Okay, let's go home, Angel. Here are your stickers.
And the egg. And the egg. Shut it. Shut it. That's a band-aid, actually. For her arm. Somebody took a shot there.
Okay, thanks, doctor. See you again on her next checkup. Bye!
Bye. Give a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.